wanna see how we alone. Look forward, we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
Bang, 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 bang. Hold them. Yo, so right now, this somebody comment in the comment section and say, yo, Frost, you look like your locks are grow. Right now I feel like cut off. But anyway, right now I'm there in the kitchen about some stew beef. Let's eat. So I never have no tomato, I just go road, go buy some and come back. So you can see me season up my thing. You see me about 25 minutes ago. You know? So I season up my stew beef and everything already. Ah, see me yeah. I may look about probably have some rice. You see me? So I have me clothy pan hot. I have my stewing pan right as up. You see me? The kind of on already. So I just say wait, so now I go just do a show with everything in it and just go and stir him up and then cover him up and make him go and cook himself. You see badness. So as I say, I already season him up already. So when I'm done, you know, I will cut up some Irish, some carrot. I should have cut up this. I cut up some garlic. Let me put this right off. Put it up as a. See if you can turn it up now. Put it up so I can talk to you. So, I remember what day when time I cook. I cut off my finger star. So, what I end up, see there again, hold on there. Let me cut up this first and then talk to you. So, what will happen is that I made to cut up some thyme. I drop in a pot. You see me? I don't know who I go on. It's like, I think it pot when the oil went too hot or something, so me just turn over this on, you know? So me just, I look like Pally when I had the phone and I say, Pally, so me just cut off my finger. Pally say, Lord God, Ziggy, Lord. Hey, Jamaican people, them exaggerate still, but I understand still, I probably should just scare. But anyway, like she say, Lord God, Ziggy, you cut off your finger? And I say, yeah, you know what I mean? So when I cut up now some garlic, we just cut up some garlic and just you see me, so I have that there already. Let me just give him one more story up again. I'll show you what I go and still you see it. So stew beef me I look about. You know? I don't want to leave my bun up. Woo! Turn on this one. Turn on this one here. Come on. Yeah. So first, I think me have a stove too high a while ago. Get some more. You see it? Just show you what I want still. You know? So, this is how I go on. You know? So what I'm going to do, I'll just cover him up, make him go and make some sauce and own. You see me? And then come back. By them time, I'll probably cut up all like carrot them and everything to just leave them down in the last, yeah. And I'll just find one cover him up. You see me? So check in back with a little bit. You see? Yes sir. One more thing again. Yo, me always say, oh no I say, but I may say. Anyway, one more thing again. So, me can't find a big pot cover, so I have to just use a small one to just kind of cover him up a little bit. Because I just want to steam out a little bit. You see me? So I just give him some time and then jump in back. But, I have one more thing to show. Suppose me tell you say what the one boy call me. I not even say I want to mention it on the vlog, but I have to talk about the kind of bother me. Yo, me say, yo, never, I think ever happened to me yet, I don't know, I say, yo, me come out of the nice a little bit and come around from the side. Yo, don't tell me if this ever happened to me yet. So, I think go down and basically, Brazil don't go with Pearson. Argentina over here, so we don't go with nothing. A joke, man. I don't know what the things do. Argentina come back. But anyway, jumping back on the settings. I think if I'm 2-8, which part on the day and after everything happened and done, you know? Alright, let me just chat back right as anyway. So, you know, me want to say it because it didn't bother me. It didn't bother me. It didn't bother me, man. It didn't bother me. Anyway, so what go on was that I think ever happened to me and I went time when I done talk and cut off everything completely. When I say, oh, yo, I should have tell him this in a man. And I should have tell him that in a man. But, you know. Yo, check it. But what really happened is that, so what year after me dep on a little work site, you know? Because you don't probably know what I'm gonna say. So what really go on was that me work down upon a little condo side, you see me? I do some painting and, you know, renovation settings and did it and this man place, cause me always say to my boss and I say, yo, if we get a job, why we have to get a job which part we have to push things from here, so push you over there, so like we are giving ourselves extra work, you see me? Anyway, bypass that day. We have to do the job and we have to move everything, so by the time we reach over here, so we have to shift over here, so come over here, so and then by the time we're done with over here, so we have to shift, come back over here, so it's like when you take you 1 day, if you just end up and take you 2 days. You know what I mean? So, it all have him think them dash down all over there. I don't probably know me from man. You don't ever see me now on Jordan. You don't ever see me now on Jordan yet. Never. Right? A Clarks maybe it. Straight Clarks. Maybe it a Nike or something, but straight, I don't know me a Clarks man already. No. Anyway. So, what go on is that this man call me now. Let me sit down little bit. Yo, this man go call me now. And he go say, is this Ziggy? I'm like, yeah man, why badness? You know, the dog say, hey, it's me for dog. I'm like, hey, how you doing? I mean, I'll drop in piece of twang in and I say, how are you doing? He's like, I'm good. You? I'm like, I'm good. He's like, yeah, so I like you. And I'm just calling you to tell you that I'm giving you the opportunity to just come straight forward and stuff. And I'm like, so okay, so what's going on? Honestly, I thought the man was gonna say, yo, he might give me a job for deal with this. I say, yeah, daddy, you know. So when we check, you know, like the man I say, yo, do you know I have cameras in my house? I'm like, I don't know, I wasn't looking for cameras, so I don't really care. He's like, but yeah, I have bare cameras in my house. You know, with Toronto man, them go on like them talk, the Toronto slang. Yeah man, I have bare cameras in the house, fam. And I see the man take my shoes and I'm like, oh Lord, never that, oh Lord, go on, come again. Me say, hold on, what you say? You know, I must say, yeah man, I have cameras in my house and I'm giving you the opportunity to just come straight forward before I go to the cops. I'm like, stop this for 1 more second. They say, me I go put you on recording right now, daddy. And just, so no, top talk, just top talk right there, so top talk. Me say, go and talk now, because I start recording. He must say, yeah, yeah, I saw you on my camera, you stole my Jordans and I'm just giving you the chance to just bring it back before I call the cops, because and this I have family downtown. I'm like, hey boy, man no thief people shoes, man no wear people shoes, daddy. Man no wear Clarks, man no wear Jordan or Clarks maybe. Straight Clarks, boy. What you talk about thief shoes? You're a madman. See what I say to you, and I say, yeah, because I saw you on the camera, and I'm like, as a matter of fact, send the police them come on my yard. This man, like, literally, I tell me say me thief in shoes. You know? Say that did I rant and I go and send me a text and... So this is how my pot look like after about 35 minutes. You see me? I like make it have another color still. So you see me? I make everything go and simmer down. Probably see it taste, and then if anything I may have to adjust it taste. You know what I mean? Don't know anything come down, but checking back with you know. But that may have to say still. May have to tell you no what go on, cause this boy this me pan a big man levels about me teeth his shoes. Disrespect! So Nisha always said to me, say, everybody can know when I you they make tea. I'm like, what do you mean? Cause she's like, here they go like this and mix their tea. But when me I mix my tea like but anyway, Nisha come in and there. Hot man. That's a Nisha there. Come in from work and seems tired. Tired. Prep up some food for her. You don't know what things say. Oh, me done cook. I already cook the dumpling today. No dumpling. I don't want no one joke. I don't want no one joke. So me tell you, say, me actually go road by, yeah, let me show you one. Me show you say, I don't know joke. Me actually go road, go buy banana. And me buy yam and corn. You see me? Come here and say alright. I say alright, I come in come cook some dumpling and banana, yam and corn and all of them niceness there. With some stew beef. So the stew beef already done. I'm not showing it, I share out some food for Nisha. Hold on. I don't know what you call a little bit, eh?
Wow, so you really have been how many years?
Because I don't know, like, if you plate them away, they eat.
Watch me come back.
Can't really yam them, they yam stuff.
Ziggy, look at my shirt. Come back with the same shirt again. Oh my gosh.
You see me? Like one little bit of rice.
Yes.
You know got some fancy restaurant and then they share food with one little teeny bit of rice.
Do
or
you
something.
remember when we used to go in Jamaica and go to restaurants and you get like some little tiny bowl of rice?
I don't know who they might give them this. Like, you pay your money. Yeah, it's fancy. Come on, I get it. It's a fancy restaurant, the big namers. And then food make it fancy. Give me my money worth. You see me? Just one little bit of rice. Look on it. Me no give me rice in my plate, cause that me pay for. No, one of them. But you don't know. Official. This a vegetarian.
Yo, remember, did you put tomatoes in it?
No.
Oh, babe, you should have put the tomatoes in it.
It's right here.
That was when you did it. Whew. That was good. I was just in the car just now. I'm like, holy, I really didn't eat anything yet. Y'all remember that light that I that light that I showed you guys? I ended up sending it back and got a new one.
Anybody ever the greater coconut or them actually greater of them finger? You like it?
I just a new beginning, mother from your 15 and the food me bring. You them powerful like a
some nice veg Jamaican style, isn't it? With the liquor vinegar in it and sitting here. Yes sir. So it on man, that's what I like when I cook on all the vibes. You see, they make it pattern nicer. All of them. That one thing me know, you know, like when if you come to the test and now if you come to when you reach a point this part, all of me have they have film in one place, everybody can know when me a cook. You say see if you don't live next door to me, and I say, what time I know? And when you look for the time and it say 6 o'clock and then you hear play music a chumper. Or you just hear music a chump down in the evening, the wicked. Just know say your man Ziggy they cook. Ziggy they cook. Alright, so we check in again. Lego.
Just know that when he throws it down down. When he throws it down down. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Our trip is finally here. So I've been up since since like 7 something. Then I went back to sleep for a little and I woke up at 8 something. And then I had my physio at 9. So me and Nala just came from that and I just brought her back home because she's going with Ziggy to, well, she's following Ziggy to do his hair. She did her hair yesterday. I'm going to show you guys later. It's so cute. Big up my friend Denise, Miss Tiny Braids. She is honestly the best of the best. She's so neat. So that's what's going on today. Literally today is just us prepping for our trip tomorrow. I have to do, so I did my eyebrows earlier on in the week. I did a pedicure earlier on in the week on my days off, just because I knew if I waited till today it was gonna be too hectic. I'm gonna go do my lashes right now. I'm actually running late, and then I'm gonna do my nails, and then I'm going to my other friend who's also a hairdresser to do my hair. I'm just doing a simple ponytail. It's only gonna last so long, and we have another event in Jamaica that we're going to, so I'm probably gonna redo my hair out there. So I'm just going down simple with a ponytail. I was gonna keep my natural hair, but I literally, for some reason, every time I leave Canada and as soon as I land in Jamaica, the weather, it just does something to my hair. Like, it doesn't hit the same, and then I always end up putting my hair in a bun. And I just want to be hassle-free for the first couple of days of me being there, because it's literally strictly organizing everything. So that's what's going on. I'm so excited. This is such a well-deserved vacation. We've been working so hard, been grinding for the last 2.5 years, working, no vacation. So I'm excited. And then, as you guys already know, we are doing the give back as well. So there's just, oh my gosh, I'm just happy to not be working too, to be honest, man. Yeah, so that's what I'm currently doing. I'm going to my sister-in-law to do my lashes, and then it's a one-stop shop. So right next door in the same spot is my sister. She's gonna be doing my nails. So yo, it's so convenient how they did that. I really love the idea of it, the one-stop shop. So I need to step on it. So I'll see you guys at the studio. I'm just reaching to my lash appointment, but last night I washed my hair, and my friend was telling me don't put anything in it. So y'all don't want to see my head top right now, and I blow dried it. My freaking hair is just so much. Oh my gosh, it's, oh my god. Okay. Good morning. Someone here? Oh. Bro, I don't know why every time I come here I always have to use my GPS. It's like I know where I'm going, but Sissy-in-law. Yes. Yeah, guys, so this is her little setup. You changed it up a little.
I did.
Yeah, you did.
Last time you came, right?
Yes, anyways. So guys, I finished my lashes and my nails. I came home because my hair appointment was at 5, but it's like I'm about to go there right now. I just took simple French. That's what I did. I'm just a plain Jane. I'm such a plain Jane. But I just got a notification saying that I should check in. So that's what I'm currently doing, checking in. And then I'm gonna pay for our luggage as well, because if you do it 24 hours or something like that before your flight, then you get like a discount, something like that. You save like $10 on each luggage. So that's what I'm about to do. Just waiting for this thing to load. I just choked, shit. But I'm about to drive to Toronto. I'm about to drive to my hair appointment, and that's gonna be a little journey, so I'm gonna need some music. So in the meantime, I was getting a little confused, but we're finally checked in. Guys, I honestly cannot wait. Like, the way how I just can't wait to relax, don't have to wake up early and have to worry about going to work and all this stuff. It's just time to relax. Like, it's so needed. Like I said, we've been working so hard for the last like so long, so definitely needed. And I know Ziggy's obviously happy to see his family. He's really close to his family, so I know that's a bonus for him. We're both just so tired. Like, I worked 3 12-hour shifts, had a day off, then worked another 3 12-hour shifts, so it's definitely catching up on me. So tired. Like, my eyes are like burning me. When I was doing my lashes, I must have fell asleep like 3 times. Holy smokes. But I'm gonna listen to some music. When I get to the salon, I will come back on. Actually, let me make sure I picked up the right hair. I'm gonna be showing you guys the hair that I'm using for my ponytail. This is a sponsored video, by the way. I forgot to mention that earlier. But I'm gonna check the hair to make sure I pick up the right bag. I'm just, like I said, I'm just doing some ponytails. I'm just doing a ponytail. Not these looking short. What kind of little ponytail is this? I don't even know what size this is. Anywho, we'll make it work. I'll go into more details about the hair when I get back. So I'll tune in with you guys in a bit.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up.
currently just packing up some last minute things. The vlog for me is ending right here. I'm actually still tired, but I'm not going to bed for now because I'm finishing up some laundry and then I'm going to fold them so that when we come back we don't have to worry about that, because we're probably going to come back with laundry. But this is it. The vlogs officially start now. Well, the next vlog. But up here guys, so I hope you guys are ready for the Jamaica vlogs. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys share the channel. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment. The more you guys interact with the videos, the better. Big up your guys self. I'm out because I am so tired. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Them not care for you, alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one.